Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire. Ooh.
Dude, your RM's fast.
Your RM's fast.
What about my arm?
Bro, that RM's pretty
My
fast.
arm is fast.
Oh.
Let's
Should we
go
get a
beer.
beer? Oh. She's a dirty, dirty girl.
I'm a dirty boy.
How filthy? Oh, that's pretty filthy.
However filthy you want it.
Dude, I bogged so freaking hard out here in my room.
Will you guys all look at me and give me like a head nod? At the same time though? Come on, boys. 3, 2, 1. head nod like that.
You almost died, my friend.
Almost died like 3 or 4 times.
What's up, boy?
One time you really almost died.
I really almost.
Bro, you should have seen the back of this bike. Shannon hit something, goes swap, swap, swap. Who likes whose ass more?
I don't know. That's a toss.
Yeah, that's a toss up. I can't wait to show my kids this video when I'm 50 years old. They're sitting, hey, come sit down, take a seat, grab a beer, grab the old VCR tape, throw that bitch in, press play. Like, Dad, no, we want to go. Nope, sit down. See that? That's me. Yeah. Look, I make a pass on kick it. Are you watching?